Welcome back. The U.S. Supreme Court is expected to release new opinions today, the first opinion since the controversial leak on abortion from a few weeks back. However, experts say the abortion decision is not expected to be announced, and the court has not said when any opinion on abortion will actually come out. All of this may have you wondering, what is the holdup with this decision? Scripps reporter Joe St. George is in Washington and walks us through why the country may have to wait for a while.
Here at the Supreme Court, a lot has changed over the course of the last couple of weeks. For one, a giant fence now encompasses the Supreme Court building. The justices themselves have extra security. And you may be wondering, what's the holdup regarding the official opinion? Well, to understand that, you have to first understand the history of this place.
Oyez, oyez, oyez. All persons.
Yes, this place still uses phrases from medieval Europe to begin each day, an example of how much tradition takes place here and why that leak was so surprising. It's tough for anyone to understand what really goes on behind the scenes, including journalists, unless you've actually worked here.
I clerked for Justice Breyer.
That's why I wanted to do a quick video chat with Carolyn Shapiro. She's a law professor now, but in the 90s, she was a clerk. She says justices aren't going to rush this. There's a majority opinion, a dissent opinion, and oftentimes individual justices write their own. Each opinion is circulated among the justices to make sure the lines are correct, not just grammatically, but legally. After all, the ruling will be studied for years. Recent reports suggest not all of the opinions have been shared around the court yet.
They're nowhere close to being ready to release this opinion. So I think that's the main reason. It's not just the bottom line that matters, it's also the reasoning.
Another reason why we're waiting, typically justices like to wait until the last day of their term, which is typically at the end of June, to announce their most consequential cases. That's what they did with the Affordable Care Act.
The waiting period is giving elected officials at the state and local level time to prepare for what an opinion might mean for them. It's also giving police time to prepare for protests, although Carolyn says that's probably not factoring into the delay.
I don't think that's a big part of their thinking.
One thing legal experts tell me, don't think this delay means the justices are reconsidering their votes at all. Every justice knew just how polarizing this issue would be. In Washington, I'm Joe St. George.